Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tammy. Today I made 3 DIYs. Figured while we're all cooped up in the house from the coronavirus, right, why not go ahead and make a few things from stuff that I'd bought from the Dollar Tree a while back. My style is usually farmhouse, kind of like shabby chic decor, so hopefully you like that as well. It's really popular right now. I know some people have said that they're getting sick of it and some people still love it, but for me personally, I still like it. So that's what I did today. I did 3 different things. Hopefully you enjoy this video and it gives you a little bit of positivity in your life, because right now we all need that. There's like so much negativity going on right now with everything from businesses shutting down, people losing wages, people being sick, people dying from the virus, people being scared of the virus, people shopping so much that you can't even shop for yourself, and it's a scary time. So I just thought today would be a great day to make a video, try to give you a little bit of inspiration and hopefully bring a little bit of light to your life. So continue watching and we'll get right into it. Thank you. To get started, you just want to get a small hula hoop from the Dollar Tree. They had like 3 sizes. I got the smallest one. And I bought a mop. And so what I did to get started was I took the sticker off, as you can see here, because I didn't want to have to try to paint over top of that because it's like a foil type stuff. So I took it off and then I opened it and took the little beads out so I wouldn't be making the little hula hoop sound with those beads. So I just took them out. And then there's my cat. Took my white Waverly chalk paint and I just like kind of brushed it on a little bit to where it just kind of had that gray kind of look to it. I didn't want it to be like solid white. After I got it painted the way I wanted, I just took the mop and took the head of it off. And I tried to like pull that centerpiece off, but then I realized it was going to be too difficult. So it was just easier for me to just pull the pieces out from that black piece. And it worked out great that way. Then you just want to tie them on. The way I did it was pulled them over and looped them through. Then that way they just hung there. So I was going to do like 4 on one side, 4 on the other, but I ended up putting the whole mop head on there. I just try to make it even. Small ones on the side and the big ones on the middle. And for the big ones in the middle, I had to tie 2 together. After all my pieces were on there, I got my scissors and started to trim all of the excess pieces from the larger ones. And then I also took my scissors and I cut in like a diagonal shape on both sides so that it would have a little bit of height to it instead of just being straight across. Then I took some flowers from the Dollar Tree and some lamb's ear from Walmart and I just placed them where I wanted them and I hot glued those on there. next what I did was I got a frame, a chalkboard, and some chalk and paint to make a standalone chalkboard. And afterwards you will see that my chalk isn't that great, so I wouldn't suggest using those markers, but I had to go with it because it's what I had. Next I took some foam board and drew out a little house on it. I just drew like a rectangle with a triangle on top, and then I cut it out and then just traced it to the other pieces so that they would all look the same. Like I took my piece of paper and laid on the foam and traced my pieces, and then I just cut them out. So that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope that I inspired you to make something. Hope I made you smile. I hope you have a great day. I hope everybody stays safe and that nobody gets the virus. I hope that it passes soon, and I just hope everything works out for everybody. And I'm just so glad that you're a part of my community. And if you haven't already, go to Facebook and like my page. I will link the page in the description box below, and you can just go and like that, and I post updates there and pictures, and you can post pictures and whatever. We can talk, just whatever you want to do. It's just a fun little place for you to be able to talk to your fellow crafters. Also moms, like if you have any kind of like advice or any questions, you know, we can all come together and try to like share some experiences and what we know and stuff. But yeah, so go ahead and go to that page and like it, and keep in mind that once I hit my 500 that I will be doing a draw. But in order to be considered for that drawing, you have to go and watch my previous video and comment on it and share it, and be sure that you comment done so that I will put your name in for the drawing. But anyway, so that's all for today, and I'm so glad that you watched it, and thank you, and have a blessed day.